Hey, Swap.
So,
Which way do I mount this?
what does it say?
Front toward enemy? Oh, yeah.
Gotta be a clue.
Thanks. Sorry.
Hey, Fergus, you take my watch tonight? I'll pay you back.
Not again. It's Christmas Eve.
I'll send you out a fucking tree.
Oh, great. A tree. Merry Christmas.
I take it frame by frame it. To have your Lord, show the show and say it. Always for other peers, for people scratch the temple. The last beat, well, that's not that simple. You know what LBC?
But she forgot her medication. Shit! And she staggered out the door into the snow. Shit! When we found her Christmas.
Oh, shit!
Sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. It was my sausages.